Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Black Shark 5. First of all, open your list of applications on your phone and find here screen recorder apps. It's standard application on this phone, so tap it. And now we open screen recorder panel, so here we got start stop button, folder button and settings and close. So now need to go into our settings and here find sound source option, and if we tap on this option, here we got three options: mute, microphone and system sound. If you wanna, for example, without sound, choose mute and it's safe automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.